Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This company sent me a jewelry box and I'm so excited because it was super cute. And yeah, I don't know how to pronounce their name, but I actually type it out here. The company that sent it to me, and yeah, came in this package from Amazon. And we're gonna open this up because it's super cute. Like, I already know. Yeah, let's go ahead and take it out. I like videos like this, and it came with a bow on top. And this is the card that it came with. This is a, I don't know if you can focus, sorry. If you guys can read that, it should be able to focus. If not, it says best wishes, loving companion at all times. And in the back it says each flower and gift tell a story to the one I love. So this box is definitely good for Valentine's Day gift, birthday gifts, anything of that sort. So y'all need to go ahead and get y'all one, because as of right now it's definitely looking good. It's looking super cute. So y'all would definitely give this to like my mom or something, like for her birthday, Christmas. I'm definitely going to buy one of these for Christmas. And this is the bag it came with. So let me show y'all. I'm pretty sure it'll fit. So you're just gonna put that in there. And it's super affordable. This box wasn't even over $20. So yeah, this is a super affordable, cute gift. Like Christmas coming up. I know a lot of y'all families' birthdays are probably coming up. And some people also give gifts on Thanksgiving. So go ahead and get y'all family members one of these. Now that is cute. That is super cute. I love that. And I'm definitely gonna wear this necklace, just know that. But yeah, I definitely love this. Thank you for sending me this box. This is cute. Alright, so I'm gonna definitely go ahead and try on the necklace. So sorry if I'm looking up and down. I have a new camera. And yeah, that's what it looks like up close. Let's get into the details. As y'all can see. And I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see like how it looks and stuff. So yeah, that's how the necklace looks. It looks super cute.